What's going on, y'all? Check it out. We doing the enchiladas today. Chicken enchiladas. And they gonna be so tasty. So tasty, y'all. But anyway, you know what time it is. Let's get it. And while you here, don't forget to give me that LSS. What's that you say? That's that like, share, and subscribe. That like, share, and subscribe. And if this is your first time here, glad you're here. Hope you become part of the LSS family, y'all. Cause we love tasty. Oh yeah, and you know we got a rain on. Hit them with a little salt, a little pepper. Once we get them seasoned up, let's get them into that boiling water. Oh yeah, look at that, don't it look tasty? Already, ain't even cooked. Now this is that Mexican seasoning. It's good for tacos, flavoring anything that you want for tacos. So let's go ahead and get into that water. Now once it boils down, this is what it starts looking like. And you want to make sure that this boils down and get inside that meat so you can get that good seasoned flavor from it. Now we just gonna keep boiling this chicken until it gets tender enough, y'all. Just get tender. Start breaking apart. Now of course we gotta get our pan ready. Hit it up with a little olive oil. And we're gonna get our shells prepared. Now see, now we just gonna start pulling that chicken straight off that bone, y'all. Straight off that bone. As soon as we pull that chicken off that bone, we gonna start putting our chicken into our corn tortillas. Once we get that chicken in, it's time to rain on it with that cheese, y'all. Cheddar, of course. Cheddar. And of course, we had to go ahead and get the olive oil put all over our pan. Spread it out good so nothing sticks. Now we want to go ahead and roll up our enchiladas, y'all. Once we get them rolled up, we gonna get them into our pan. And we gonna take that extra juice that we had from cooking our chicken and we gonna pour that on, y'all. And of course, you probably gonna have some chicken parts in there too. And then we gonna rain down on it with some cheese. And add some diced tomatoes on top, y'all. On top. Y'all know I like my tomatoes. Gonna set our oven to 350 degrees. And we gonna get it on in. And about 30 minutes, our cheese should be then melted and our enchiladas should be done, y'all. And what y'all think? Those look good to me. So let's plate up. So we got our enchiladas. I have me some rice and beans with mine, some refried beans. And oh yeah, you know I enjoy myself. But anyway, y'all, love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all. See ya.